Let's take a look at replacing the engine coolant temp sensor on this Dodge Durango with a 4.7 liter engine. As you can see, we've got a new sensor here all ready to install. It comes out of the package already with a Teflon sealant on the threads already, so we don't have to do any additional thread sealing. So I'm going to set that to the side. Our sensor is located right on top of the intake manifold between the AC compressor and the alternator. So I can pinch the electrical connector, remove that, and now I'm going to take my 3/8 ratchet with a 19mm deep well socket and break it loose and begin to rotate it. It's important to note that you should be doing this on a cool engine and make sure that there's no pressure on the cooling system. You might even want to have the radiator cap removed. So once I get this loose, I'm going to thread it out by hand, and I'm going to be ready to install my new one very quickly because there is going to be coolant starting to come out. So once I remove it, I will start my new one by hand. Get it threaded down in there properly. Take my ratchet and socket and continue to seat this down into place. Now we don't need to over torque it. We want to make sure it's good and snug. We're down to where the sealant is on the threads. We'll take our electrical connector and plug it back in, clear any trouble codes that may have been set, top off the cooling system, and this thing is ready to go. We've just replaced the engine coolant temp sensor on this 4.7 liter engine.